My people of Swazi, Marvin Gaye, he's on my A list. I got an A list, B list, and C list. Marvin Gaye, A list. You see. Woo! You see, told. You see, asitidlale ICC, sitidlale endlini. I told you, friends everywhere. I remember a concert one day. Yobukela Marvin Gaye adlala khona. You guys were not there. You're not exposed. I told you. Woo! Okay, bye bye. Anat Luton.